To begin, you're gonna grab your veil and you're gonna brush it, and then you're gonna brush your own hair separately. Step 1 is to brush your hair. After you brush your hair, you're gonna grab a sharp clip and you're going to section 1.5 inches from your hairline, so it's about this much, all the way around to your crown. And you can just do this with your fingers. I feel like it's easier than using a brush. Just like that, and you're gonna clip it up. Curl it around. Next, you're going to grab the veil and unclip, opening the clasps, all 5. Next, you're going to grab the weft by each side, put it behind you, carefully place the string over, finding the part which you started, and then you're just going to place the hair. Be careful of the little open clips. And you're just gonna feel around and see, you can see the clip or the string here. It's in the part, and it's all the way around, and I haven't touched it yet. It's just the next step. So now that the string is placed and it's suspended, you're going to go in the back, and the open clips, you're going to just secure them onto your hair. Just pushing them down, feeling for your hair, and securing them, making sure that it's flat on your head and there's no ridges. Okay. This is how it looks in the back. Now with the hair secure, you're going to unclip the hair from the top and just hide the little string, pull your hair forward, and that's it. It's that easy. Literally, I have all this hair, and I think it took like literally 2 minutes. So amazing. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. Let me know what you think. The next tutorial is going to be how to blend this into your hair with a little trim.